Everybody's here.
Bit of a prank on our brother Russ.
Yep. Oh, look at that.
Basically, idea is we're plumbing his whole house with beer. And this guy's going to come home and it's going to get awesome. I don't think he's dusted under there for months. Camera.
Little camera in there. Got a shoe cam down here.
Yeah, just a pretty simple setup.
Whoa, it's like cold beer too, look.
He's going butter. No way.
Oh my gosh! Got no fresh water anywhere.
Here comes the overalls.
He's filming it all on his phone.
It actually tastes really good.
Did he come?
Here it comes.
This is like 10 kegs of beer under this mug.